siya sa may, alam mo yung...
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Morning, guys. Naka-lipstick tayo ngayon, guys. And, andito na yung pork. I-ano ko lang ito, guys. Gagawin natin siyang katulad kahapon, yung ginawa namin. Ginawa ko. So, after this one, aalis ako dito mga 12 something, almost 1 o'clock kasi dapat kukunin ko si Luigi, guys. 1 o'clock dapat ando na ako kasi mag-stop pa kami sa tindahan. Yun. So, while dito pa ako, lutuin ko na siya para ready na pag nandito na sila. So, yun. May tubig po ito, guys. Can you load that down a little bit, Han? Thank you, Han. So, nakahubol po ito sa tubig overnight. Ang gagawin ko, guys, is hindi ko na siya i-roll. I'm not going to roll this. What I'm going to do... The thing! The wind chime. Ayun, hindi siya ma-roll. So what I'm gonna do is just
Garlic, mustard.
Yeah, rotisserie, just rotate this kasi hindi siya lechon siya na flat. Lechon na. Yeah. Yeah, I will do. I'm not gonna overdo season it, honey. I will season it, but so ang gagawin ko is meron tayong onion, green onion at saka itong lemongrass. Ang gagawin ko kasi hindi siya i-roll, isusok-sok natin siya. I-ano ko kayo dyan, i-focus ko kayo dyan. Dyan na lang. So, yan. Nalagay na siya. Anyway, so, kunin ko, i-on ko to siya, guys, mga 12. Madali lang ito maluto dahil flat, sobrang liit lang. So, madali yan maluto. So, gagawa din tayo pala ng sauce. Nakalimutan ko. Onion. And, meron tayong lime at saka sweet pepper na binili ni Kami. Yung atsal sa atin, look. Lagyan natin ng ginger para masarap. Diba? Lutuin ko tong corn mamaya. Madali naman yan. Masarap itong atsal. Naalala ko yung mama ko. Ganitong atsal talaga. Iba-iba color. Green, yellow, red. Kasi ito yung palaging tinatanim ni mama at saka ibibinta. Ang dami talaga, as in, noon bata pa kami. ito siya guys. I-on ko lang siya mamaya pag alis ko. Para, yun. And, nagluluto ako ng corn. I think ito na lang yung gulay. Parang ano namin ba, di ba? And, he showered. Hi, freeze guys. Freeze. He looks so fresh. Did you, Did you clean your face?
Okay, you're wet now.
Huh? Huh?
Okay, you're wet now.
Una siya guys. Kasi aalis na ako very soon. Tayo. Diyan na naman kayo sa list. Guys, kunin natin si Lloydie and then mag-stop kami sa sa grocery store kasi may kukunin lang, may bibilhin ako at saka may bibilhin din si Lloydie. I think lang naman. Si Tami na lang, pinabayaan ko na lang siya doon sa pork na ninuluto ko at saka sa corn para naman dito ba yung wallet ko, be?
Iinom ba sila ate ng shake? Ng smoothie?
Dito ba yun? I think. Ay, wala kami ice cream din. Banana, masarap yan din. Banana, nagawa na namin yan ni Tami kasi si Tami noon.
Magawa kasi ako lagi niya kasi di ba bawal sa akin sa ano.
Mahanap ako ng corn beef.
Wala ko na sa akin.
Oo. Be, may lalaki ba? Yung mask niya is malaking smile. Natawa ako. Natawa ako sa mask. Nandun sa natawa. Hanapin natin dito para matawa tayo. Nandun sa look. Anak, ang corn ba? Pero gusto ko yung corn na na wala ng ba. Bibili sana ako ng corn pero nagluto. Meron namang corn doon, 3. Ano-anuhin lang natin, no? Doon tayo sa pinaka-last. Wala man sila. Patayo ng milk. Ayun ba?
I wonder if she would eat it.
Gagawa daw si Lloydie ng guys. Yan, smoothie. Yan yung gagawin niya. Pala ito? Pwede na yung makain, di ganun. Pwede ito makain na umaga na. Dito na guys. Tignan mo, Bi, may mga sa loob nilagay ko. Nakita mo ba? Yung mga lemongrass. Pinasok ko.
Paano pinasok?
Inano ko, parang inano ko ng kutsilyo and then pinasok ko sila.
tayo magpasok.
Meron ako rice, oh. And dried fish. Magluto kami ng dried fish. Ito yung lutuin ko kasi gusto ko to. Magkuha ako ng, ilan ba yung kunin ko dyan? Hindi yung lahat, Bi, kasi marami, Bi. Kuha lang tayo, ha?
Ay, baby! Hindi ko maitas ang kilikili ko. Hindi pa ako
Singtanon, Bi. Yung kilikili ko, Bi. Yung singtanon ba? Yung...
Ano singtanon? Ako may buhok ang kilikili ko. Hindi ako nag-aahit.
Kanina, Bi, yung buhok ko, winax ko gano'n na, Bi. Sabi ko, wax tayo. Ang
Kasi hindi ako pwede mag-wax pa kasi ganito pa lang siya kaliliit. Hindi pa siya madadadala,
May
diba?
menstruation kasi ako, so hindi
Meron
bawal
din ako.
bawal. So nawala na ngayon. Ngayon lang talaga nawala. Sabi ko, wax tayo, Bi, ang taas na, Bi, 2 months na.
Ako mag-1 month pa lang, kaya ganito pa lang siya. Di ba hindi siya pangit siya?
Anong klaseng ano mo? Mag-wax ka?
Ano, yung nabibili ko na, yung wax na mismo na ilalagay mo na lang.
Yun. Pero sa akin, ang taas. Bi, more parang ng bulbul. Kanina lang talaga, sabi ko, mag-ano nga tayo pagkatapos maligo.
Hindi pa ako kasi patapos pa lang ako ngayon.
Pagkatapos, masarap yung bulad, ganitong dried fish.
Ito kung hindi masarap yan.
Okay lang to sa'yo.
Si mama favorite yun.
Naka-close ba yung gate, Bi?
Oo.
Okay.
Niyaya niya ako sa labas eh.
Hi, Han.
I put it up here. 'Cause,
That's in my car.
I don't know if you do it, it turn black.
Thanks, Han. Han, thank you.
I'll put it over here, okay.
Thank you, love. So, this is what we're gonna do. I will use the grill. I don't know what can I use for that. To fry it. That's not grilling. I will put a...
So
I
why
will...
don't you just fry it in here? Why use the grill?
No, because... No, I don't want the smell here.
No big deal.
No, you don't have any clue.
I got incense.
Huh? No.
I got incense.
Yes, but sometimes he need to go to work hours.
Apat yung inano ko. The grill outside doesn't work, guys. So...
Outside works fine.
Ha?
Take a long time to heat the pan up on the grill.
So, yun. So, dito na lang namin sa loob. Sinabihan ko si Tami kung okay lang sa kanya. So, okay naman sa kanya. So, dito na lang ako nagluto ng dried fish sa loob ng bahay. So, manimaho tayo dito. Okay naman talaga yan si Tami, pero ayaw ko talaga na. Kasi naaranasan ko yan yung pati mga kortina na amoy. So, yun. Dito na lang siya. What is very good, honey?
The chocolate almond milk. I told her she wants, it's not dairy, so.
No, we're gonna eat first.
She wants.
You want it, Lloyd?
What does eating have to do with drinking?
Sinan pa sa kanya.
She doesn't allow chocolate.
Oh, you can't have chocolate?
Tommy, you are
yeah.
dried fish. Han?
Hindi, may waso mo, alis din niya.
Han, I don't like this.
It's fine, man. You've done it before. Why is it the first time?
Dried fish. This one is not crunchy yet, Han. For some reason, what did you do? You added something, huh?
Brush some of that on.
Okay.
I figured it was there for a reason. But that wouldn't have stopped it from getting crunchy. That's the stuff you're brushing on. I didn't mix that, you did.
Yeah, I have to let it just keep cooking. Yeah. This is sharp, honey.
Sabi ko, mag-stay ako dito sa mainit. Pag may hangin, malamig.
Oh, malamig talaga.
Oh, pwede na yung mga lapis mo, oh.
Delicious.
Oh.
They're also big now.
Over there too, oh. Han, this is... Oh, yeah, this is Han.
Ano to? Hindi yan pechay.
Pizza yan.
Hindi yan pechay. Bakit ganyan? Oh,
Bokchoy yan, oy.
boy.
Pizza, bokchoy.
Ito, nagay ko na sana anak ko. Inilabas ko na. Kinain ng mga ano, nakakainis.
Ano sinong kumain? Si Jay?
Kumain daw, alam mo kung ano matira?
Mahait-hait ito.
Mahait-hait.
Sige na.
Magkakamay din ako.
Magkakamay tayo.
Kakamay ako.
Sino ba yung
Bigla inalis ang sing-sing sa kabila. Nilipat sa
Ito guys, yung lechon. Pero iba siya lo, hindi siya crunchy yung ibang skin. Yan siya. At saka dried fish. Yun lang.
Want a drink?
No, eat with us baby. Wait.
I'm waiting for the rice.
Right. Oh yeah, oh, meron pang rice doon. Gusto niya ipatry sa inyo kasi
Ano yun ang guys?
Spanish rice niya. Masarap. Oh.
Sabi ko sa'yo, di ba? Huwag ka na maluto yung pala panghalian na pala. Ang magang hapon. Magang hapunan. Hindi naman ako kumakain ng hapunan. Kasi sabi niya sa ano naman kinain mo? Nagluto siya ng mga babaunin niya for tomorrow. Tapos gawa siya ng bun.
Butter daw para sa corn. American style.
Ano?
You don't use it, that's all.
Ha? Kagat-kagat asin. Okay na. Okay na lang. May tubig. Ito matubig.
Hindi, ito na oh.
Ito na yung inom mo.
Goes down.
At saka ano?
Vodka.
Vodka na malasing ka day.
Down.
Roxy, get down.
Dito lang siya sa may, alam mo yung Bank of America. I bought like a press and then
I used to do that, but I just buy frozen fruit. Frozen strawberries, frozen blueberries.
Yeah, and he stopped doing it. It's so tiring. Doing smoothie every day, tiring, right? Tignan nyo guys, gagawa daw siya ng smoothie.
I want the other bullet.
Yeah, the new one, the latest one. The
yeah, the one that makes soup. It's
Yeah, it heats it too.
Really?
Yeah, it
call
makes
it the.
Honey?
I know
Really?
that. That you can make everything over there. The big one.
Yeah, the 9,000 watt.
Tama na siguro yung
what do you
900
call
watt.
it?
Ah.
We have that in the house. Jay got it.
What?
I told you all the gadgets he.
Well, I got this before that one.
He have
Before
a
they.
BG bullet. He have a BG cutter. He have the.
I-close mo na maayos,
food
para.
processor.
Kasi kailangan ulit sa'yo open eh.
It's all the same.
They're all good. Do you lock it on?
Not yet.
You gotta turn it to make sure it's locked on.
Not yet. Okay, Han, can you do it, Han?
Yeah, we just,
No, walang on.
just
Pause it.
that.
It's not locked in.
It's locked.
No, it's not locked in.
Han, that's it, Han, that's it.
Me, I do everything before I put it over there because it's so fast.
Yeah.
Just so quick.
Kasi ang ginagamit ko sa bahay, food processor.
Look niya, guys. Ice cream, yogurt.
Then you put vodka.
Vodka na.
Rum.
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 Oh
Rum.
my God.
Really?
Oh,
Yeah.
it tastes good. Pagdating sa inumin.
That's
Inuman.
So you're gonna make it food.
Hala ka, magdandaan ka mag-drive ba? Oh, hindi ba yan makalasing? Kaya maliit lang yung nilagay, di ba? Tignan, no? Parang, sobrang pinkish. Bahay ni...
Try lang muna natin
Yan
ito.
yung aking binabaon.
Yung ito?
Itong magsa-summer na, I make always that and bring it to my work and that's my lunch and good. Di ba? Yung ate ko, medyo may
Push
katabaan.
Okay, that's fine, I guess.
Is it okay?
I have that, the small one. Jay have the big one. She asked me.
Oh, that looks good, B. That's it. Ala, ang dami naman. I-try mo. Baso, B. Baso. I-try mo. Ikaw din mag-try.
Did you put rum?
Tanaw,
Try
tignan
it first. If you're going to like, I can make one.
You want rum? No, I.
Ram daw. Itong si Tami, no ram, han.
Malit lang sa akin. This is too big.
It's okay. No, na-try ko na to. Ano
Sa
na.
akin na maliit.
Nagamit ko na.
So what?
Oo nga.
So what? Banana is really good.
Yeah, the banana.
Oh, it's good.
And let's try. I know we made this a lot for every time.
We put.
But we never put yogurt and ice cream. We only put slushy. And
I don't put the ice cream. I
we
only
put
the yogurt.
we put ice.
Frozen
as soon
yogurt
as
is
the
not
ice
fair,
is going to like.
No, I use like all
You
the
want-
fruits. I put
you want to make it
it
healthier.
become
You do
frozen.
bananas,
So I don't
milk.
need the ice.
Oh,
because
yes,
It's
I
very
yes,
bland.
yes.
No
Frozen.
taste. Put a little orange juice in it. Then it'll taste like an ice cream.
Hi guys, I think I'm lubat na guys. So dito pa si Lloydie. Nandun siya sa labas. Hindi ko siya inatid, sabi niya asawa na lang daw niya yung kukuha sa kanya. So naghintay na lang kami dito. Hello guys, dito pa si Lloydie. Inano ko lang yung mani guys, binigay ni Lolo. Uy, bak. Okay lang sa kanya. I-try mo dito mag-upo, Bi. Oh. Swing, Bi. Umalis na sila, Lloydie. Umalis na sila. And, ngayon, hindi na ako kakain kasi busog na busog talaga ako. And, yun, busog na busog. Walang katapusan kain, gabi. Hello, huy. Roxy, did you eat your dinner? Go eat your dinner. Oh my God, they love Lloydie. They even love Mark too. So, Tami, nakabihis na si Tami. And, what time is it?
Those marshmallows have chocolate in the middle of them too, so be careful with those.
I love you.
They fall off into the grill. Love you too. It's also be careful with.
And thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to end this vlog early. And I will see you guys tomorrow.
Hi guys.
See you tomorrow.
Thanks for coming.
Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
So come on.